How Elon Musk works, which puts him in the world's 1%? Find out in this video. The truth is, it's not luck. It's a set of habits anyone can copy. And if you listen closely, you'll see how these same habits can put you ahead of 99% of people. Point A, time master. Elon breaks his day into tiny 5-minute blocks. Each block has one clear task. No multitasking, no wasting hours. That's how he runs Tesla, SpaceX, and more. While most people lose time scrolling on their phones, time is his most valuable currency, and he spends it with precision. Point B, first principles thinking. The second thing is how he thinks. Instead of following the crowd, Musk uses first principles. He asks, what do we know for sure? What can we build from the ground up? This is how he created electric cars and reusable rockets when experts said it couldn't be done. It's the same mindset entrepreneurs use to spot money-making opportunities before anyone else. Point C, relentless focus. And third, Elon's focus is unmatched. He works long hours, yes, but the real secret is where his energy goes. He attacks the most important problem first with full attention. No excuses, no distractions, just progress. If you try to do the same, you will become a person who does work with focus. Try to value time like money, think from first principles, and focus on what truly matters. You'll already be ahead of 99% of people. And remember, in finance and business, these habits are the bridge between average and wealthy. The world's 1% don't just earn more, they think and work differently.